Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Com with the exact Microsoft account tied to your Game Pass. Once signed in, go directly to your info and find country/region. You need to confirm any Microsoft balance is 0 and cancel or finish subscriptions because those block a region change. Make sure you have a payment method and local address for the new country ready. This is why Microsoft verifies billing details. Now, move to Edit Your Country and follow on screen prompts to begin the change. Once done with prerequisites, edit the country/region field and pick the target country. The system will prompt you to update a billing address and payment method. Do this immediately so the change can apply. If you receive warnings about subscriptions or content access, read them carefully because some purchases won't move between regions. After saving, allow Microsoft up to 48 hours to process the change. Meanwhile, make sure you don't try to buy Game Pass until the new payment method verifies. Finish by updating the Xbox console location. Go to Settings, System, Language and Location, choose the same country and restart your console. After you sign back in, open the Microsoft Store and Game Pass app to confirm the catalog reflects the new region. If you can't access expected content, clear the console cache by holding the power button, check the payment method matches the new country, and make sure no subscriptions block changes. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with your account details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.